Hi guys, my name is Niara and today I'm going to be showing you how you can bake under your eyes. It's a little bit of a controversial topic. Some people are very pro baking, some people are very against it. So there are a few rules to baking. The first is going to be you're going to make sure you have all of your creases out of your concealer, because baking is really just locking in your makeup and you don't want to lock in creases. So to get all my creases out, I'm just going to pat out my under eye. And you're gonna want to keep looking up, because the minute you look down you just created another crease. So looking up, I'm gonna take my setting powder, the shine control powder, and I'm going to take a damp sponge because it will help not make everything look so cakey. And I'm just going to apply this powder under my eyes, and once I have it under there I can look down. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So like I was saying, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're using a damp sponge. A damp sponge is key because with baking, you're looking at cakey really quick. A damp sponge helps kind of tone that down. So I have the setting powder under my eyes. And really the thing with baking is you're applying like a little bit more setting powder. Some people will apply like a very thick, heavy layer. Because this is a pressed powder, I wouldn't suggest that. Just kind of keep it light and just really work it into your skin versus trying to apply like a very heavy layer of it. Also, for beginners, I think it's just better that you would work with a little bit of product to start with, and then if you want a more highlighted look, you can apply a heavier layer, but I would just say do it that way. And because this is pressed, you can really just leave this on. You don't have to worry about like taking off the excess. Maybe just before you finish your makeup, you're gonna want to like make sure you worked all that product in. Okay, so that is my finished look. As you can see, I didn't really go back with any more of the powder, but you can after your makeup is done if you feel like you need a little bit more shine control. But that's like my beginner's guide to baking. I would definitely say my rule of thumb is just to start off with a little bit less. I know you might be like tempted to start off with like a lot, but you don't really need to. You can bake your makeup with just a little bit of powder. My name is Niara Alexis. Again, you can find me on Instagram and YouTube by that handle. I'm also on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.